And with that being said, our grand total on my YouTube channel in 2022 was, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm super excited about today's video because I'm gonna be sharing with you how much I made on YouTube in 2022. And those of you who have been subscribed to my channel, if you're not subscribed, you know what to do. You might be a little bit confused because I sort of already posted a how much YouTube paid me in 2022 video back in December. But to explain why I'm posting this video, I need to point out that you might have noticed is that I titled this video how much I made on YouTube in 2022 instead of how much YouTube paid me. And the reason why I wanted to do that is because today I'm going to be going over all of my other streams of income related to YouTube and how much money I ended up making outside of just YouTube AdSense. Do you sort of see the difference there? Anyway, I hope you are as excited as I am because the main purpose of this video is really showing how much you can make on YouTube as a small channel without relying on just YouTube AdSense. And since there's actually been a change in my AdSense report since my last video, plus since I also want you to get the full picture, we are actually going to get started with AdSense today. So I just changed the filter to 2022, and my last video was filmed kind of in the middle of December, so I was missing about a couple of weeks. So back in that video was about 1900. Now you can tell that overall in 2022 I made about $2,016. I hope I can be a good example for you because as I'm filming this video right now, I only have about 3,800 subscribers. You can actually let me know in the comments down below how many subscribers I have when you're watching this video because I'll be really curious. So if you're looking to diversify your income streams as a small YouTuber, continue watching this video. As a reminder, that was my very first year being monetized, so I'm sure you've seen people earning way more than that the first year and some people making way less than that. So I'll probably say it's a little bit on the lower end, but overall I am pretty happy that I was finally starting to make money from YouTube because I was getting paid nothing the first 2 years. Then overall I gained about 2,400 subscribers, 10,000 watch hours, and 159,000 views in total. So again, as a reminder, this is not from the beginning of time. This is from 2022. I did start my YouTube channel about middle of 2020. So in terms of kind of my daily earnings, you can tell I was making anywhere from $2 to about, my best day was back in November. I made about $17.42 in one day. So all in all, I would say, the year was pretty good for me. June was one of my best months, and then July was also a pretty good month, and then in the fall my channel was doing really well. Now, something that I sort of mentioned in my previous video was actually the really weird thing that happened with my RPM. Right around Thanksgiving, I noticed a massive drop in my RPM, and I'm talking about it went from $20 to about $4, and honestly I still haven't fully recovered from that because my RPM right now, as I'm filming this in February, is still pretty low. So I know some of you mentioned that it might have had something to do with the global economic recession. I know some of the other content creators kind of mentioned they were noticing the same thing, but let me know in the comments down below if that's something that happened to you, if you know the reason, because I'm definitely very curious because I would love to have a high RPM again. So now we're talking about the top performing content in 2022 in case you kind of want to know a little bit more about my niche. One video really stands out. I'll probably say I made most of my money through this video, and that was my Google Ads video where I pretty much used Google Ads to promote one of my videos here on YouTube and let you guys know if it actually worked and if it got me views and subscribers. I'll list it somewhere here in case you want to check it out. But this is definitely one of those videos where I didn't put much effort into it and didn't think it was really gonna do well, but it did do really well. As I'm filming this video right now, I have roughly 40,000 views on this video, which considering a lot of my other videos struggle to even get 1,000 views, it definitely did really well. Now number 2 and number 3 on my top performing video list were actually, okay, this is actually going to be a really fun fact, my marriage-based green card interview video, which I filmed in 2021, as well as my small apartment storage tips, which is a video that I filmed back in 2020 because I was at home and I had nothing else to do. So as you probably already noticed, those are the videos that I filmed way back in the day, yet they're still getting views and are still making me money, which is honestly one of the main reasons why I love YouTube so much, is because so much of this content is evergreen and something that people are going to be searching over and over again. So pretty much every video that you upload up here on YouTube can potentially keep making you money over and over and over again for years and years in the future, which is obviously obviously amazing. Passive income, baby. And this is also a friendly reminder that if you are enjoying this video so far, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that like button because it really helps small YouTubers like myself grow. You guys who are here at these earliest stages of my YouTube career are absolutely priceless, and I appreciate your support so much. So make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button as well. Just like as I told you at the very beginning of this video, Adsense was luckily not my only source of income from YouTube this past year. So that leads to my next source of income, which is actually brand deals. I know some of you are probably like, wait, what? Brand deals?
Don't you only have like 3,000 subscribers?
Well, I'm really glad you asked, because in case you missed my brand deals video, I started getting brand deals pretty much when I only had like 1,500 subscribers on this channel, which is one of the reasons why I really wanted to film this video, is because I wanted to show you that even as a teeny tiny channel, you can still get brand deals. So obviously I'm not really allowed to disclose, how much each brand paid me, but I can tell you that total from all of my brand deals, I was able to earn about $1,160 in 2022, which obviously isn't anything crazy, especially when you compare me to some other channels here. They get like 5 or even 6-figure brand deals. But again, considering the size of my channel, I honestly was really excited about this amount. And in case you're wondering how to land brand deals as a small channel, make sure to check out this video up here where I kind of walk you through exactly the step-by-step and different strategies that you can implement to start landing brand deals. Now, the next major stream of income that I wanted to mention is affiliate marketing. I know a lot of YouTubers say this is one of their favorites, and to be completely honest, the first couple of years that I was on YouTube, I was barely making any money with affiliate marketing. But in 2022, this stream of income really took off for me, and I think a lot of it had to do with my Fundrise videos. I also did a few collaborations with brands like CareerFitter and Shortform, as well as I mentioned several products like TubeBuddy and Squarespace, and a few other brands in my videos. And of course, you can find the links to all the products and services that I mentioned in today's video in my description down below. And as always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to get to know me on the personal level. So in total, in 2022, I made about $2,021 with affiliate marketing. If you think about it, it's almost as much as what I made from Adsense. So if you are mentioning different products and services in your videos, always make sure to post affiliate links in your description box, because trust me, it can make a huge difference when it comes to earning money on YouTube. And now my last stream of income was actually my coaching business. To be completely honest, I sort of keep those two brands separately. I know I probably make a lot more money if I kind of integrated my coaching business and promoted more my YouTube channel, but the topic of my coaching is kind of different from what I'm doing here on YouTube, and I personally just like to keep certain things separate. However, I actually did end up getting certain bookings that very obviously came through my YouTube channel because that's what my clients told me. I can't tell you the exact amount because I wasn't able to track, all the calls that came from my YouTube channel, but I would say this wasn't like, huge. I'll probably estimate about like $500 worth of bookings that I got. But again, it could be more, it could be less. I'll just estimate it roughly to be about $500. And with that being said, our grand total on my YouTube channel in 2022 was just 3,800 subscribers was $5,198.42. And so you can see that the final number is more than double of just my AdSense revenue, which is another example of why it's so important to diversify your streams of income on YouTube, and I mean in life in general, because there's so many ways that you can increase your income on YouTube, and that is how a lot of people become full-time YouTubers. Trust me, people don't just rely on AdSense. And of course, as any content creator and a business owner, I couldn't run this channel without having some expenses. Luckily this year I didn't have to spend much on the equipment, but I did spend some money on hiring video editors to help me out, as well as certain subscriptions like Epidemic Sound, as well as Canva. Plus I do have to pay some taxes on this, but thankfully I do have an LLC, so I am able to write off a lot of these expenses. If you don't have a lot of subscribers right now, I really hope that this video just showed you what is possible here on YouTube and how you can increase your income regardless of how many video subscribers or views that you get. And that is it for me today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video today. I personally really love watching these types of videos just because it shows me what is possible here on YouTube. And if you want to see more videos about personal finance and side hustles or YouTube life, once again, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, and I will see you next Wednesday. Bye!